You have seen this problem before. Is this string a palindrome? Seems is right, but in an interview, clarity matters more than speed. Today we will solve it cleanly using 2 pointers and break down why it works. Let's get into it. This is Codviento. Given a string, check if it's a valid palindrome, but ignore non-numeric characters and letter case. So, a man, a plan, a camel, Panama should return true. Classic problem, but there are 2 ways to solve it. Option 1, clean the string first, remove all non-numeric characters, lowercase everything, then check if it equals its reverse. It's readable but not optimal. Why? Because you are creating a new string and reverting it, extra space, extra work, and we can do it better. Let's do this in place 2 pointers. We'll set 1 pointer at the start and another pointer at the end, and move them toward each other. Start A and A, they are match. Skip non-numeric characters, move inward M and M, match. Compare the lowercase versions. If they are differ, it's not palindrome. Let's check the code together. We are defining 2 pointers. One of them is left and the other is right. While left, rest and right, skip non-numeric characters for left and skip non-numeric characters for right. Get the lowercase of left character and get the lowercase of the right characters. Compare them each other. If they are not equal, the result is false. If they are equal to each other, inward left and right. At the end of the while, return right. Time complexity is O and space complexity is O1. No extra string needed. 2 pointers isn't just about as it shines on string 2. It helps reduce space, avoid unnecessary work, and show that you understand the problem, not just solve it. Want more pattern like this? Thank you for watching, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean Java solutions. See you in the next one.